How to fix Instagram map not showing. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for Instagram and make sure the Instagram application is updated to its latest version for the app to perform smoothly and include all features. If not, then you can go ahead and update the app further. Also, make sure that the map feature is available in your region, as this feature might not be available for all reasons. And next fix is launch the settings application on your device and scroll down to privacy and security. Here you will see the option for location services. So ensure location services is enabled and then scroll down and navigate to Instagram and tap on it and make sure it is set to while using the app or always. If not, then set it to while using the app or always depending on your preference. See if the issue was fixed or not, and if not, then go back to your home screen and tap hold on the Instagram option there, and then tap on the delete app option and then tap on the delete option. Once deleted, you can reinstall it from your app store and see if that fixes your issue. If not, then you can also try to log out of your Instagram and force quit the app and then log back in, and your issue should have been fixed. If not, you can also try to contact Instagram support for further queries. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Instagram map not showing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.